Hey YouTubers, Paul here. Just after literally doing a video there a minute ago on these Karrimor D30 men's shoes, and just why I have these here at the minute. I do a lot of running. As I said, I put 50 miles in them new Karrimor runners. But what I want to promote now at the minute is the new Karrimor app. I'm not sure if you've tried it. You know, you have all these run keeper and track runners and all these things, and you have the new Karrimor app here, so which is kind of like Map My Run. So it's just it's Karrimor's own one that they brought out. I find it to be a very good job. It does the same as all these ones, and probably even more, probably even the same. Again, you can track your runs. You can then share them up on Facebook with your friends if you want to compete against your friends, or show your friends that you're in the middle of doing training or a bit of preparation for some marathon or whatever, triathlon or whatever it might be doing. You can post it all on Facebook for your friends to see that the runs, the kilometers, the calories, the timing that you're doing. Another thing about it is that it's a very good app. As I said, it's Karrimor's own app brought out. So it is. I think the only feature it doesn't have compared to Track My Run is Track My Run and Run Keeper. You can do hiking, running, swimming, walking, whatever ones you can. I think the Karrimor Runs one now just does the running. Yeah, I have the running here. I haven't really assessed it that great detail, but what it also does is you can do your run, and you can then map your run. You can name that run. So I have two runs here. One of them's a loop around the circle, so I call it the 2.5 mile loop, because that's what it is. And then I have the college run up here, which is I just call it the college laps. And then I have a number of different runs. So I just save them in my phone under the title of what they are, college laps or the loop. I save them in, and then every time I do that run, I can go back to that section. So let's say for college loops, and I can go from my run start, and then it saves into the college loops, and then it compares it to the previous times you've done it. So it could say I've done it 3 previous times before, and then it would compare. It would give me my best time, whether it was my first, my second or my third time. If the second was better than the first and the third was worse than the second, etc, etc. So it does all that. Then also gives you the total of the 3 times you have done it, the distance you've covered, the total calories you've used, and the total time it has taken you to do it. So again guys, like, I'm just trying to promote all the Karrimor stuff. As I said, I'm a big fan about it. So I just said I'd take this minute out to show you the Karrimor app. Just go onto the app store and type in, I just typed in Karrimor, and the only Karrimor app there is the Karrimor tracker one for the running. Hang on a second now until I see. Yeah, just call it Karrimor. That's all it comes in. It just comes in on the Karrimor on my phone. So just type Karrimor into the app store and download it. It does come with already existing what would I say, maps and tracks in the map section. So if you go into the map section and you obviously live in the UK, it has loads of different tracks and trial runs that you can do. Let's say they're in the Brecon Beacons or in Snowdonia or anywhere in Scotland or any place like that, any place in London. It has maps in the section. So if you're living in that locality, you can go into that section in the map and hopefully find a route that's in that locality that you live. I'm from the Republic of Ireland, so they don't have any maps here in the Republic of Ireland. It's saying that you create your own, you save them into your map section, and then, as I said, you can go, when you go to do that run again, you can go back into it and you can start a different run, and then it will save into that category again, and it will give you your best and where you've improved, where you've disimproved, etc, etc. So guys, just a thumbs up that the Karrimor app's pretty good, and I recommend that you download it if you're into fitness and running, etc. Thank you guys.